substances, and that is the technique for known as decantation. So whenever we are doing the decantation, first we should do the sedimentation. So you must refer to the video on sedimentation offered by Abhyas Online. But whenever we talk about decantation and sedimentation, so basically sedimentation refers to the settling down of the sediments. Suppose I have taken muddy water which contains mud and water, and if I leave this mixture for some time, what will I see after some time? The mud or the dirt, because it was heavy, so it will settle at the bottom and the clear water will be on the top. That means this is the sediment, which is the sand, and this is the clear water. This was the concept of sedimentation. Various examples and application have been discussed on the video on sedimentation. But when we talk about the decantation, as we have done the sedimentation, so when we remove or when we pour this clear water into another container or into another beaker, while not disturbing or while keeping the sediments undisturbed, is referred to the process of decantation. So what is actually the concept is, so when we remove the clear water into another container, keeping the sediments separate or undisturbed, that is known as decantation. So after decantation, we will actually get two beakers. In the first beaker we will have only the sediments, and in the second beaker we will have only the clear water. Hence we can separate the two substances. One was the insoluble solid, that is sand, and the other was the liquid. Hence this process is used to separate an insoluble solid. It can be oil, it can be mud, sand or chalk, from the water or from any other type of liquid. There is one more application of decantation. Suppose I want to separate oil and water. As we clearly know, oil and water do not mix into each other. So if we have a container and there is oil and water into that container, and I keep this container undisturbed for some time, so after some time I will get water at the bottom and oil at the top. So what will I do? I will do the process of decantation. In the process of decantation, I will remove the oil into another container and I will get only water in the first container. Hence we can separate two substances. It can be either both of them liquid, or it can be one liquid or one solid dissolved in the liquid, like in the case of sand and water. So this was the concept of sedimentation and decantation. But there is another process known as loading. Loading is generally referred in the sedimentation and decantation both. Sometimes what we see, the sedimentation, that means the dirt or the sand, takes a lot of time to settle. They may take around 3 to 4 hours to settle at the bottom. However, we cannot wait almost all the time for 3 to 4 hours. So we can use some substances, some chemicals, to actually speed up the process of sedimentation. That means if we want to have faster sedimentation, we can add certain chemicals into this mixture. And that chemicals, one of the chemicals is alum. So when we add alum in that substance, in that mixture, this alum is soluble in water. And when this alum goes into this mixture, it automatically dissolves into the water, and all the dirt or all the substances which was present in the water will get attached to that alum. If this is the alum compound and we have the sand and water mixture, this is the mixture of sand and water. So this will now get mixed into the water, and all the sand particle will get attracted towards this alum. Now when they get attracted towards that alum, this alum particle will become heavy. So this alum particle will become heavy because all the dirt from the surroundings have been now attached to that alum. So as soon as it becomes heavy, it is very easy for this alum to settle at the bottom. So as it settles at the bottom, it speeds up the process of sedimentation, which earlier took around 3 to 4 hours. Now it can be done nearly in about 20 to 30 minutes. This is how we can speed up the process of sedimentation, and after sedimentation we can remove the clear water with the help of decantation. This was the concept of decantation, but you must refer to the video on sedimentation offered by Abhyas Online. This was the concept.